My name is Gary Rizzo, and I'm the re-recording mixer here for Mimic 2, and we're doing our final mix today. So here we are, we're mixing reel 3AB, and we have the bug squishing sequence, and I have all of the categories of sound underneath my fingertips in each fader. We've got the dialogue, we've got ADR, we've got sound effects, we've got music, and I'm going to show you a couple of those. So there's a wide variety of sounds that go into our soundtrack. And here's an example of what this particular scene looks like without any sound. Some of the things that I have to do revolve around sound effects, and usually in the sound effects department we start with the category of ambiances. Some sound design breathing acting as ambience. We have some creaking. Put some of that into the surrounds. And we actually have an element that was created from a fetal heartbeat that our sound designers created an ambient tone for the basement, for the boiler room. Some of the other categories that we're responsible for putting in are, for example, some of the bug voices. Let me show you some of those bug voices. So we have specific bug voices pretty much for every specific bug that you see on screen, in addition to having a bed of bugs when it's appropriate. And in addition to bug vocals, we have things like, in this scene we have some squishes. That's just the squishing element. In addition to that, we have the sound of their feet actually doing the stomping themselves. This is the department that we call Foley. This is the Foley department, and the feet that come from them. Of course, with the ambience and the bug vocals and the squishing, we also have to make sure that we maintain a connection to our characters, so we put in the dialogue.
Get them off! Okay. All right, okay. All right. It's okay. It's all right. All right, everything's gonna be okay. Okay.
And then, of course, we can't possibly forget about our music department. And of course, when we put all the elements together, which is part of our job, is to mix each one of those departments together to create the final mix as you, the viewer, expects to hear it, either in the theater or in your home. This is our final mix.
Get them Okay. All right. It's okay. It's all right. All right. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay. It's fine.
This is the nest. I think we just disturbed it.
you go. Those are all the departments represented in the final mix. There's dialogue, there's sound effects, there's music, there's Foley. There you have it.